Charlie Adam got more than he bargained for on his return to Blackpool after falling foul of a bird. The Fleetwood Town manager appeared to wash bird muck off his jacket in comical scenes during last night's League One clash at Bloomfield Road.
Adam, 38, spent 3 seasons as a player with Blackpool, scoring 34 goals in 98 appearances. He was their star man as they won promotion to the Premier League in 2011. But Adam's love affair with Blackpool came to an end in 2011 when he secured a switch to Liverpool.
He is now manager of Fleetwood Town, having joined the struggling side in December. Read more in FOOTBALLABSOLUTE. Joke fans travel 5 hours only to see game called off minutes before kick-off. Hot Wheels win a stunning Mercedes G-Wagon plus £5,000 from just 89p with our code. Adam has won 3 of his 19 games at the helm so far.
And he suffered another defeat as former side Blackpool bested Fleetwood 1-0 last night. However, Adam was momentarily distracted in the dugout as he reached for a bottle of water.
It appeared that a bird had dropped a message from the skies straight onto the sleeve of his coat. Most read in football. GIFT of Gab Bayern stunned by incredible reason. Ref decided not to give them clear penalty. Absolute joke fans travel 5 hours only to see game called off minutes before kickoff. BRUY Man City forced into last-minute change as Kevin De Bruyne drops to BENCHSTARS ordeal. Ex-Liverpool star Danny Murphy opens up on cocaine addiction after retiring. Casino special. Best casino welcome offers, and a backroom member could be seen laughing as Adam chucked water over his arm in a bid to clean the muck away.
But legend has it that being hit by bird mess can bring good luck. I was released by Ryan Reynolds and am fighting to stay in the EFL while my brother battles to win the Premier League, and Adam needs all the help he can get as Fleetwood battle against the League One drop. Town are 6 points off safety and face a final day showdown against fellow basement boys, Burton, provided they have not already been relegated by that stage.
Adam was previously Burnley's loan manager, but jumped at the chance to replace Lee Johnson at Christmas. Speaking at the time of his Fleetwood arrival, Adam said, "I'm delighted to join a club I know well and one which we feel we can make a real difference with.
I'm inheriting what I think is a strong squad which is more than capable of getting the results needed to climb the table. Fleetwood is a hard-working, honest, and passionate town, and the football club must reflect that. The players have to be proud to pull the shirt on and represent what the club and the town stands for.
It's now important we see togetherness from the players, staff and crucially the supporters to help turn results around. We can't wait to get started." Charlie Adams' career stats. Those numbers in full. Rangers, 2003–2009 to 88 games, 18 goals. Ross County, loan, 2004–2005 to 15 games, 2 goals. St Mirren, loan, 2005–2006 to 37 games, 9 goals. Blackpool, 2008–2011 to 98 games, 34 goals. Liverpool, 2011–2012 to 37 games, 2 goals. Stoke, 2012-2019 to 179 games, 21 goals. Reading, 2019-2020 to 27 games, 2 goals. Dundee, 2020-2022 to 65 games, 11 goals. Scotland, 2007-2015 to 26 games, 0 goals. Trophies, Scottish First Division, Scottish Challenge Cup, St Mirren, Scottish Cup, Scottish League Cup, Rangers, Carabao Cup, Liverpool.